Well, out here today, pattern shotguns for turkey season. I'm patterning my Mossberg 20 gauge first, model 500. I'm shooting Winchester Double X. I've killed birds with them before. Hopefully gonna get my girlfriend to shoot a turkey this year. Maybe she'll want one. My youth model 20 gauge again. No, just full choke, no turkey stuff, stock gun. Then I'm going to pattern my 12. Just a 12 Mossberg. What was this? 835. I killed a bird with it last year. No turkey choke, just full choke. See what happens. Killed a bird with this one last year. I've killed 3 with this. I've killed 1 with this one last year, and then I've killed 2 with my dad's gun. Which is the same thing as this, just wood stock. It actually has a turkey choke. But with this gun, I'm shooting 3.5 inch Winchester XRs, number 5s, 2 ounce shot. These are 3 inch, by the way, number 5s as well. And I'm gonna shoot 30 yards, then 50 yards. I'm only shooting twice because turkey loads are expensive and I can't find them right now. So we are at .33 yards, close enough. Well, let me get y'all turned around, put a shell in the gun, let's see what happens. I'm gonna shoot the one on the left with the 20 gauge. Let's see what happens. The target fell. Well, let me go set that back up and we'll shoot the 12 gauge. 30 yards, 3.5 inch Winchester Longbeard XR, number 5s. Whoa, that one kicked bad. Well, I think that one did a little bit better. Let's go take a look. Walking up to the target, right there's the wadding from the Longbeard XR. And it hit really low, like right here's where it hit. But it was, I set the target up. There's the 20 gauge at 30 yards. But like I said, that one shot really low. There's the 12 gauge at 30 yards. I really do not like that one. I'm okay with this one. That gun's only got an 18 inch barrel on it. So I'm okay with that one. I do not like that one. So I might wind up getting a choke for that one. Turkey choke for that one. This one I'm just gonna leave. My girlfriend can shoot a turkey at like 30 yards. I want her close. Well, we got this one done. I really don't like it. I'm not gonna push it to 40 because I don't know why it shot so low. It could have been me, but I had it actually high. I aimed high on it. So might order a choke for it and then do this again. But 20 gauge, it's pretty good. I've shot a turkey, I think, at 38 yards with it before. So I know I like it. Might order a choke for this the 12 gauge. Let me know what chokes y'all recommend. I know a lot of people are probably gonna say I need to be shooting TIS. I'm not paying $70 for 5 bullets. I don't care. What y'all think with that? TIS is expensive, and I'd rather pay, I think that box was $20 for 10 of them, $2 a bullet, instead of $10 a shell, or more sometimes. But, well, I've decided I'm just gonna shoot them at 40 and see what happens. It might have just been me pulling the trigger on the 12, because I know that gun pattern's tighter than that. Heck, if that gun ain't gonna powder good, I'll shoot my 20 gauge. A lot lighter of a gun. Don't kick it off. But gets my shoulders in for one more. That 12 gauge kicks bad. I don't think my 300 Win Mag kicks that much, but see what happens. 2 more shots, 40 yards. Stay tuned. Well, we're out here at 40 yards exactly. I think I pulled the 12 gauge. I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna shoot the 20 gauge, same order, brand new targets. I'm gonna shoot the 20 gauge on the left. So here goes nothing. Let's see what happens. Well, there's the 20. Swap guns. .12 gauge time. These shells kick a whole lot more when they ain't going at a bird, because you ain't feeling it. Okay, 12 on the right. I'm gonna aim a little bit high. We're gonna see what happens. Hit good, baby. I like to see it. I like to be able to not buy a choke. Here goes nothing. Ooh. Well, let's walk up there and see how they look. Well, just cut the targets off the stand, and this is the 20 gauge at 30 yards. Here's the 20 gauge at 40 yards. Actually did really well compared to how I thought it would do, but still not good. I wish it was like this. I like a spread powder. I don't like shooting them like tiny holes. But 12. This is the 12 gauge right here. At 40 yards. This is at 30 yards. I think this gun's gonna have a choke. I'm gonna get online tonight and look for one. But that's all for today's video. Let me know what choke tubes y'all would use and everything. Let me know some different shots that aren't outrageously priced. But thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. Got more content coming.